Sixth class social. Good morning to all.
How are you? You're all stay at home, safe at home. Okay, children, come to our class. So, in the previous class, we discussed about important features of a map. So, in the previous lesson, we discussed about directions. Directions are very useful in our daily life. So, and also we discussed about the what are the directions on the map. So now today we have to discuss about the scale or distance on the map and symbols on the map. So come to the scale or distance at the map. The scale of the map ratio, proportion, relative size. Map scale refers to the relationship between distance on a map and the corresponding distance on the ground. So let us come to the example. See here. So on the pleasant evening, Malika took Laila to the sea village stream and walked over a bridge. So the bridge has 6 lamps. How many lamps? 6 lamps posts at equal distance. The distance between two posts is about 100 meters. The length of the bridge is about 500 meters. So the distance between two posts about 100 meters. The total length of the bridge is 500 meters. See, look here. Look at the. So when they came back, Laila, she draw a sketch. So of the bridge. The lamp posted on a paper so that she can take it with her. When she was drawing the lamp's posts, she took care to draw them at equal distance. The distance between the first and the last lamp post was about 5 meters. Here see the sketch map smaller than actual the bridge. Understand? So measure the total distance in Laila's sketch map from the lamp post 1 to lamp post 6. The actual distance between the two lamps post in 100 meters. So in the sketch map, the distance between two lamp posts is only 1 centimeter. So between two lamps, how much distance? 1 centimeter. So actual distance is 100 meters. But the sketch map, the distance between 1 centimeters. That means 100 meters equal to 1 centimeter. So total distance is 5 centimeters. So you might have observed the Laila has drawn the lamp's post at equal distance. We can write down relation between the distance on the bridge and its representation in the sketch in the following way. See, for example, 5 centimeters equal to 500 meters. 500 kilometers. Understand? So 1 centimeter equal to 100 kilometer. Understand? So will you, why she reduced the distance on the map? Is it possible to draw actual distance on the map? No, it is impossible to draw on the actual distance on the map. So that's why she reduced the map. So for example, see in the textbooks, one example is given, that is Tekkali to Srikakulam. Understand? So in the above sketch, the distance between the Srikakulam and Tekkali is given in the form of line. The actual distance between those lines is 50 kilometers. Measure the line joining the two places and find the distance on the map. Actual distance between Srikakulam and Tekkali is 50 kilometers. Based on the distance between Srikakulam and Tekkali on the map, you find scale map is 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometers. So actually 5 centimeters is equal to 5 kilometers. So like that we are taking distance on the map. So why is the actual distance on the ground to be reduced on the map? It is impossible to draw a map showing actual distances. So we use scale for showing the actual distances on the ground in a reduced manner on the map. Okay? Okay children, now come to the symbols. So what are symbols? To show things on a map are called symbols. What are symbols? To show things on a map are called symbols. But some common symbols which are called conventional symbols. Some common symbols are called conventional symbols. See, you know that map are too small for us to draw a picture of the things or showing them. For example, we can't draw a real school or a bus stand or house. It will take too much space on the map. Therefore, we always shows things on a map with the help of symbols. You may have noticed that in the district map, villages, towns are shown with dots and circles. Map makers prepared symbols appropriate to their needs. But some common symbols which are called conventional symbols. Common symbols on the map are called conventional symbols and also used. See here, I'll show on you an example on the map. Study the map of find out how to use the symbols. See, yes, that is a tree. The blue color indicates tank. So lines, that is called a kacha road. Giving some hyphens and draw the line. No? So that is kacha road. So the full line, two lines, that is pakka road. So masjid symbol, so that is masjid. Next temple, cross, church, and meter gauge and broad gauge. See, look here, PTO. PTO means that is Post and Telegraph Office. PS means Police Station. So RS, Railway Station. See, look here. See this picture and answer the following questions. In which direction of the church is the river flowing? East. What kind of roads is represent on the south of Sripuram village? Kacha road. Which type of a railway line is located near Sripuram? Broad gauge railway line. In which direction of railway station is the police station? South. Name the village that lies north to railway track. Siddipeta. Okay. So first you imagine you are in the school shown on the map. Which direction will you face it if you are coming out of your school? South. Okay. Understand children? Did you understand? What are symbols? Symbols are showing things on a map. So the map makers prepare symbols appropriate their needs. So but some common symbols which are called, those are called conventional symbols. Okay children, these are the important features of a map. Direction, scale or distance on the map and symbols. Okay children, so we finished our first lesson. Understand? Now come to the conclusion of the lesson. So what is the lesson name children? Reading and making maps. What is our first lesson? Reading and making maps. What we read in this lesson? What about we read maps? Yes, we read a map. About maps is, what is a map? Map is a representation or a drawing on the whole earth or a part of the earth's surface, drawn flat surface, using appropriate scale is called a map. So what are the different kinds of maps? We already discussed about the maps, about political maps, physical maps, historical maps or thematic maps. So already we read about some political maps. These are our our India map and Andhra Pradesh map, and also we read about our district map. What is our district? West Godavari. So in West Godavari, what is our headquarter? That is Yeluru. Understand? And while you are making maps, what we learn? We learn about sketch. What is a sketch? Sketch is a rough drawing. It does not give many details. So how much the distance of the place, where it is, where should we go, directions. It did not give many details in the sketch map. And also we discussed about the important features of a map. What are those? Those are directions. Directions are very important. We already discussed how we find directions on the map. So we discussed already about top of the map already shows north, bottom of the map shows south, right side east, left side west. So, and also we discussed sub-directions, and we discussed about next scale. Scale also it is using very useful. So the distance will tell about the scale. So why it is impossible to draw a actual distance on the map, because that's why we reducing manner, we using scale reducing manner. And also symbols also very useful. Represent is what is there, we know through the symbols. So this is our lesson. Okay children, so you read, you look at this lesson and improve your learning. Okay, thank you children.